The IPAZ project is Inland Port, Arizona, and it's located south of Coolidge in the Eloy area, down by I-10 and SR-87. And it's a bit of a developer dream to bring in corporations and economy to the area. Nikola Motors is there with their battery-operated semi-trucks. That's an ongoing facility that's scheduled for more growth. And Procter & Gamble also recently signed up to come into the area, but there's a lot more land down there to be developed and bring in industry. We broke ground in late summer on this project. We had Hanna Road, which is just a dirt farm road there, and we've currently paved that road, and it goes through the UPR railroad tracks.
Once it's all done, we should have a signalized intersection at Hanna Road.
We also have Houser Road, which is in front of the Nikola facility. That was an existing paved road that heads out towards the CAP facilities, and we are wrapping up pavement on that. Then we'll be moving towards the SR-87 component of the project and the two intersections associated with Hanna and Houser Road.
We'll do the right turn lanes in going northbound, both at Houser and at Hanna. We had some weather complications. These past rains in December and late November really put a hinder on our production, but we're still making schedule. Had to move some things around, pumping water and helping with the Nikola distribution plant there and all the local residents, making sure they can get through. We had some flooding issues here and there, but we were able to pump out water and get it resolved. We have a lot of agencies working together on this. It's kind of neat in the sense that Pinal County often funds their own projects, but this one here, they went for a federal grant. So we are working with FHWA, which is a little bit more complicated than a typical project can be. However, we're also working with ADOT on this project, so we need to work with them and ensure that they agree with what we're doing to those areas and the materials that are being put in meet the ADOT standards. We have Nikola Motors there. Further to the east of them is the CAP. They have 2 pumping stations out in the area. We also work with Eloy as well as Coolidge. We have UPRR Railroad as well in that area. For being in the middle of nowhere, it's not in the middle of nowhere. Overall, it's been a really good project, working alongside Pinal County and CEI. Development's been strong, communication's been strong. We're hoping to get the job done mid next year.